I've been exploring the Credit One Platinum Credit Rebuilding Visa for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review. I cover key features, perks, risks, fees, and real-world usability so you can clearly decide if this credit card fits your needs before applying. The Credit One Platinum Visa for Rebuilding Credit is designed for people with poor or limited credit history who want a second chance. Unlike premium rewards cards, the goal here is simple: help you rebuild your credit profile by reporting your activity to the major credit bureaus and giving you a manageable credit line to work with. One positive right away is accessibility. Approval requirements are generally easier compared to mainstream credit cards, which makes it a realistic option for people who have been denied elsewhere. Credit One also performs automatic account reviews, meaning your credit limit can increase over time if you handle the card responsibly. That can help lower your credit utilization ratio, which plays a big role in improving your credit score. Another small perk is the possibility of basic cashback rewards on select purchases. It is not a huge earning opportunity, but for a rebuilding card, even modest rewards are a nice addition. The card also comes with standard Visa protections like fraud monitoring and zero liability for unauthorized purchases, which adds some peace of mind. However, there are clear downsides you should know about. The annual fee can be relatively high for what the card offers, and depending on your credit profile, it may reduce your initial available credit. Interest rates are also on the higher side, which is common for credit-building cards, but still something to watch carefully. Another criticism people mention is the payment structure. Some versions allow you to choose your payment due date, but the billing cycle and fees can feel confusing if you are not paying close attention. Because of that, this card works best for people who pay their balance in full every month. Overall, the Credit One Platinum Visa for Rebuilding Credit is not a glamorous card. But that is not really its purpose. If your main goal in 2026 is rebuilding credit and getting back into the credit system, it can do the job. Just be sure the fees make sense for your situation and treat it strictly as a stepping stone toward better cards in the future. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.